We're doing well halfway through the season. What about the Champions League? This is what matters. And we've topped our group as I'm burping, chat, because I'm just having a bit of food during the stream. But oh well, it was a bit disgusting, chat, but ignore that. 3-0, let's go. This is the season we're winning it all. We've suffered way too much. Let's get past them. Please don't choke this Madrid. The only time I want to see us beat Barca is this. And this game. No. How is Coutinho scoring? Please, guys, please just get the comeback done. For the sake of humanity, get the comeback done. You bunch of cucks, man. No, Madrid.